Hey guys, it's Shari J and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a what I eat in a day video for you guys, showing you what I actually cook in my house on like typical days. But this is actually going to be filmed over 2 days because originally on Friday when I started this video, I wanted to show you guys 3 different meals. However, after I made the second meal, I started watching This Is Us and I had to catch up on like 5 episodes. Didn't intend on watching all 5 episodes, just 1 or 2. But I just got hooked and I was just like on the couch crying my eyes out, and I just didn't feel like getting up and watching anything else. So admittedly enough, I'm finishing this video on a Sunday and I'm going to show you guys the last meal that I originally wanted to prepare on Friday. So hopefully that's okay. Hopefully you guys will still enjoy this video. And if you do, make sure to like the video and subscribe if you want to. I mean, I don't really say that in the video, but apparently it helps the channel out. And without further ado, let's get into the video. For my first meal, I try to avoid a lot of carbs and sugar because I realize that usually just makes me feel hungrier. So I'm opting for a protein-based meal instead. So I just have some turkey bacon and some eggs, and I just had a little bit of chopped spinach in my eggs, and that was it. And I actually went to the gym after I ate this meal, and it was perfect for me. This is probably the best thing I've ever made in my life. It's so good. Oh my god. I need some more sauce on this though. But this is so bomb. The chicken is so flavorful. I wish I had some banana peppers though. Banana peppers would really set this off. The naan bread, this is naan bread that I'm using. Perfect. I've never ever cooked a shawarma sandwich before, and this is like so bomb. Like for real, this is delicious. Oh my god, try this recipe. I'll put the link down below of where I got it from, but it's amazing. For my next recipe, I'm going to be using an item that I got from my latest Wild Grain box. Have you never heard about Wild Grain? It is the first baked from frozen delivery service for sourdough breads,
artisan pastries, and fresh pasta. Every item bakes in 25 minutes or less, so you can enjoy homemade quality whenever you need it. And honestly, that's why I like wild grain. As you guys know, I'm single and I live alone, so I always used to waste so much bread whenever I would buy a loaf just when I wanted to make a couple sandwiches. They use clean ingredients and they have a long fermentation process that provides health benefits that you won't find at any grocery store. If you want to try out wild grain for yourself, they're going to give the first 50 people to sign up $10 off their first box and also a free extra sourdough loaf in your box. I will leave the link down below so you can try it out. Hopefully you will. I love this box. I don't hardly buy pastries anymore, but when I really want something good, this has been my way to get it. I saw this at Trader Joe's and I wanted to try it out. I've used zoodles before, but I've never heard of kohlrabi vegetable pasta. So I'm going to be trying this out as well, just in case you're looking for a pasta alternative for this recipe.
Alright, so let's go ahead and try this out. Oh my god. It actually does taste like Bang Bang. If you like Bonefish Grill Bang Bang shrimp, this is good. It's a little spicier than Bang Bang. Ooh, it's really spicy. Oh my god. Yeah, if I could make this over again, I wouldn't have added so much cayenne. Unless you like hot stuff, you might like this. I don't really like hot food like that. So yeah, I would have definitely decreased the cayenne pepper. But other than that, it's really, really good. And it tastes just like Bang Bang shrimp. Obviously, the shrimp is not fried, so it doesn't have that coating that you would get at Bonefish Grill. But this is really good. I didn't taste the pasta because it stank up my kitchen when I made it in the microwave. But I guess let me taste it. Let me taste it. All right, let me go ahead and taste this. kohlrabi. Is that how you say it? Kohlrabi. Kohlrabi, I think it is. Pasta. It smells like, I guess it's like turnips. I didn't realize that, but yeah, it did not. It stank up my kitchen like, ugh. That is way better than I thought it was gonna taste. Oh my god, that's actually really good. Dare I say it's better than zoodles? Like, it doesn't have like a distinct taste, but the texture is on point. It's very similar to like pasta. Wow. I might have to take another bite. Oh my god, I'm shocked. That might have to be something I get from Trader Joe's often. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you want to try out Wild Grain Box, I will put the link down below so you can check it out and also get your discount code. And that's it. Let me know if you would like to see more of these type of videos. I actually like this because I'm actually able to like try out different recipes. I've honestly never cooked this much since I've been in this apartment. Like, I've been cooking so many new and different meals. It's just been really fun and I've really been enjoying it. So hopefully you guys enjoy this content, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.